In this Jihosoft Phone Transfer review, we'll take an in-depth look at its core features, pros and cons, pricing, real user feedback, and how to use it step by step. We'll also introduce a more powerful and highly compatible alternative solution to help you find the best fit for your needs. Part 1. Jihosoft Phone Transfer Review. Jihosoft Phone Transfer is a cross-platform data transfer tool developed by Jihosoft. It's designed to quickly migrate data between different devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. 1.1 Key features of Jihosoft Phone Transfer. 2 Transfer modes: phone to phone and iTunes to phone. Supports data migration between iOS and Android, iOS to iOS, and Android to Android. Compatible with major devices like iPhone, iPad, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc. Allows data backup to a Windows or Mac computer and easy restoration to the same or a new device. 1.2 Pros and cons of Jihosoft Phone Transfer. Pros: fast and stable transfer speed using the local connection, ensuring quick and secure data movement without cloud upload. Non-destructive data transfer: data is copied, leaving the source device unchanged. Extremely simple process, suitable even for beginners. No mobile app installation needed. 100% identical data copy, preserving the accuracy of transferred content. Cons: limited device support, not compatible with the latest models like iPhone 16, Samsung S25, or Windows 11. Free version restrictions, such as limited contact or photo transfers. Full access requires a paid license. No cloud or remote backup, unlike Google Drive or iCloud. Supports only local transfers. 1.3 Pricing of Jihosoft Phone Transfer. Jihosoft Phone Transfer offers a free download version for users to try before buying. However, the free version only allows partial feature previews and does not support full data transfer. Personal Edition Lifetime License: 1 device 1 PC, $29.95. Family Edition Lifetime License: 5 devices 5 PCs, $59.95. Note: the pricing for Windows and Mac versions is the same. 1.4 Feedback on Jihosoft Phone Transfer. Here are some real reviews about Jihosoft Phone Transfer that can help you make better choices. Jihosoft Phone Transfer is easy to use and convenient for the transfer of all purposes. You have this one and you have all. It is a tool that you will always need. From Mohit. Part 2. How to use Jihosoft Phone Transfer. Step 1. Download and install Jihosoft Phone Transfer from the official website available for both Windows and Mac. Launch the software and select the phone-to-phone mode. Step 2. Connect both of your devices' Android or iOS to the computer using USB cables. Once both devices are successfully detected, you will see them appear on the interface. Step 3. The software will automatically recognize the devices and label one as the source and the other as the destination. You can click the flip button to switch the transfer direction if needed. Step 4. Select the data types you want to transfer, for example, contacts, messages, photos, etc. Step 5. Click Start Copy to begin the transfer. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, you can safely disconnect your devices. Part 3. The best alternative to Jihosoft Phone Transfer. While Jihosoft Phone Transfer offers decent value for its price, there's still room for improvement in terms of device compatibility and transfer stability. If you're looking for a more versatile solution with broader system support, we recommend trying Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Key features of Coolmuster Mobile Transfer include: one-click data transfer across different devices without modifying the original content. Supports Android to Android, iOS to iOS, and Android to iOS transfers. Supports various data types, such as photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, calendar events, notes, and more. Fully compatible with the latest systems, including iOS 26 and Android 16. 100% read-only and clean, with no malware, no ads, and no user tracking.